coffee manufacturing process involves several steps, from harvesting the coffee cherries to packaging the final product. Here is a detailed overview of the process. Coffee plants are typically grown in regions with tropical climates. Coffee plants require regular care, including watering, pruning, and protection from pests and diseases. Selective hand-picking ensures only ripe cherries are harvested. This method is labor-intensive but yields higher quality beans. Coffee cherries are spread out in the sun to dry. They are regularly turned to ensure even drying. The dried cherries are then hulled to remove the outer layers, revealing the green coffee beans. The beans, still covered in mucilage, are placed in fermentation tanks for 12 hours to break down the mucilage. The fermented beans are washed to remove any remaining mucilage. The washed beans are dried to a moisture content of around 10 to 12%. This can be done in the sun or using mechanical dryers. The dried beans are hulled to remove the parchment layer. Optional step to remove any remaining silver skin from the beans. Beans are graded based on size, weight, and quality. Defective beans are removed through sorting machines and manual inspection. The green coffee beans are roasted at temperatures. The roasting process transforms the chemical and physical properties of the beans, developing the flavor. After roasting, the beans are rapidly cooled to stop the roasting process. Roasted beans are allowed to degas, releasing carb. Ground coffee or whole beans are packaged in airtight containers to preserve freshness. Packaging materials may include foil bags with one-way valves or vacuum-sealed bags.